Hello everyone. In this series of YouTube videos, I am going to take real life interview questions and try to explain. So there are a lot of thousands of questions I have collected from the real companies, like all big companies, whatever interview questions they ask. So to begin with, I have seen in many of the interviews, the one of the question which is being asked is, suppose the question is like suppose there is a list. So there is a given list, and in that list we have some duplicates. So suppose there is a given list which has value 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and there are some duplicates value, right? Let me repeat 2 and 3. These are the duplicate value. So our goal is to find out a list which has only unique elements, like it should have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So trimming out these two duplicate values which we have here in the last portion, or it can be anywhere. So the question is basically given a original list, we need to come up with we need to code in such a way that the original list should not have any duplicate value. So how you would be approaching this problem? There are multiple ways. Actually, there are many ways of doing this. So I will try to explain uh, two ways basically to solve this problem. So one of the solution would be, it would be very easy solutions. So we already have this list and we want this without duplicate, right? So in Python, we have a data structure called set, which is like a list, but this removes the dictionary. So to code it, how we can code it is, so like in Python, you can write a quick function called def, and you can write a function called remove duplicates, and you can give original list, maybe original list is L1, and now in return, what you can do is you can write return, and you want the list back, so list and set of L1. So what exactly I did is, so on this given list, I operated I actually applied the set operation here, and once the set operation I did, then it converted that into, like, it removed all the duplicates. Then again I applied a list on that, so it should give us a list without any duplicates. So this is one of the way. Another way is we can have we have this given list. So let's try to take example again. So maybe I will write given list is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. So 2 is duplicate here, you can see. So what exactly we want? We want a result list which should have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how do we do this? So to do this, what we can do is, first I would like to explain the logic. So what we can do is we can try to take uh, basically empty list. We'll try to take an empty list here, and we will go through every element in the given list. So one, so first element we'll try to iterate. I'll try to check this list is empty, right? The current list which we took is empty. So I'll try to check whether this first element is present in this or not. Currently there are no elements here, right? So there is no, like, it's not there. So we can try to put it here. So one came here. Now second element, I'll try to go to second element. Second element is there. No, I'll try to put it here. And third element, we can see that it is already here. So we'll try to skip this loop. Then likewise, fourth element, which is 3, it will go here. And last element, which is fourth, it will be here. So this is how we can do it. So to code it, what we can do is, similar to that, we can try to write a function which would be like def, and I'll write in sort rt, remove duplicate, and it will take L1, and Let's try to initialize a list. So list underscore, we can take result is equal to some list here, and now we can try to iterate. How what we did here, we tried to iterate it in the given list. So given list is what? Given list we have is L1. So we can write a for loop for element E, or you can take I in given list. Given list in our case is L1. We can try to iterate through this. Now we can try to put a condition. If I, which is this, if I, this element is not present in the empty list, list underscore result. If it is not present, then what we can do, we can try to just append that into empty list. List result dot append what? I. And finally we can return the list result. So this is how we can do it. So this is a simple function which can get our job done. So I hope you understand the solution. So these two solutions, if you are able to explain the interviewer any of these, so first you can start with the first solution. If the interviewer is asking a bit more in depth, like how, and because basically people would like to check your coding skills and logic with the help of these types of questions. So you can try to explain in second way as well. So this is how we should reach out to this problem. Thank you.